lockdown lunches. Today we're making baked mixed beans with tacos. First we will need our ingredients. We will need some olive oil, some garlic, some tomato puree, some tomatoes, some brown sugar, some paprika, some mixed beans, some tomato passata, some tacos and our toppings. I'm using some cheese and some natural yogurt. First we will need to turn the heat on our pan. Then we will need to add in our olive oil. Now we need to add in our garlic. Now it's starting to fizz a little bit, so it's time to add in our tomato puree. Now we need to add in our chopped tomatoes. Next we need to add in our brown sugar. Now we need to add in our paprika. It's all mixed in like this. It's time to add in our mixed beans. Now it's time to add in our tomato. Now it's come to a boil. I'm going to turn off the heat and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's had around 15 minutes and it's ready to come out. While that cools down for a minute, I'm going to put my tacos in the oven. Tacos are ready and it's ready to dish up. And here is your lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.